Hello guys, and welcome back for another GRT price update. And at the time of this recording, GRT is giving us a bit of a breakdown move to the lower side, and I believe that we have now completed a 5-wave structure to the upside, and a pullback is now imminent. And on today's update video, I will be giving you the significant areas of supports that you need to continue holding on the Fibonacci's, and above all, take a look at the weekly chart, giving you reasons why we can easily get to new all-time highs, and the reason as to why I believe that a low is almost in. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the 4-hour chart, where from the lows we made on the 7th of April, I have been observing an ABC corrective structure, where you can see that we first saw a bounce in the formation of this wave A, a pullback in the formation of this wave B, and then finally saw the formation of this wave C, giving us a high above the 0.08. Then we saw a bit of a pullback to the lower side, holding Fibonacci key areas of support. And after we continued to hold above that area, we started another reaction to the upside, where we have now peaked in a 5-wave structure, where you can see that we first saw a bounce in the formation of this wave 1, a pullback in the formation of the wave 2, a bounce in the wave 3, a wave 4, and then finally saw the formation of this wave 5 that has now given us a high above the 0.1067. And there's a very high chance that we now have a high in place in the formation of this wave 5, and a pullback is now imminent. And the minimum target areas that I'm paying attention to can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows we made on the 7th of April to the highs we made above the 0.107. And on so doing, I get a minimum target area for the pullback between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, and that is between the 0.0867 and the 0.075, which is the red target area that I have marked here on the chart. And the moment we get a pullback into that area, I expect that the graph is going to find support within the area and start a reversal to the upper side, giving us the next leg to the upside that can easily get us back above the 0.15 in the next coming days. And the worst case scenario can only play out if by any chance we get a massive breakdown move, and maybe at some point we lose support within this red target area. If that plays out, then I will be expecting to see the graph giving us a reset of the lows we made on the 7th of April. So that is all that I'm expecting on the short term. I'm expecting a bit of a breakdown move in the next coming hours. Taking a look at the weekly chart, here on the weekly chart, you can see that from the lows we made back in 2020, we saw a very aggressive bounce over here, taking us to new all-time highs above the 2.8 mark. And at some point in that bounce, the market was up more than 13,623% to the upside. Then we started a massive breakdown move into the bear market, where the market was now down more than 98.18%. And from the lows we made back in 2022, you can see that we started a very nice bounce over here in a move that was an ABC corrective structure, giving us a high above the 0.4947. And in that bounce to the upside, the market was up more than 849.14% to the upside. And after we got our highs over there, we started another corrective structure to the lower side, where we have now seen the low on the 7th of April, and at some point the market was down more than 800, that is 86.61% to the lower side. And having seen such a significant drop, there's a very high chance that a low is almost in over here, and in the next coming days we can easily see a reversal to the upper side, giving us a break above key areas of resistances and significant highs. And the most significant high that I'm watching for a break above lies above the 0.3512. The moment we manage to break above that significant high, flipping it back into support, then I will expect higher prices to give us a break above the highs we made in March 2024, above the 0.4947 647 and a break above that significant high, then we can continue pushing even higher in a move that can easily get more impulsive and take us to new all-time highs. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the GRT chart, on the short term and also on the long term. And let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.